Hello guys, how are you all? So today is a very special day. Today we have crossed 500 subscriber and it is a big achievement and I hope I provided some value to you. I have helped you in some way. So thank you very much for all your support and love and I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful to you. I'm very thankful to you and I'm very thankful to you. So guys, thank you very much and it will be a very long way to go. So today's video is merger of two vlogs. In first video I will show you how you have to maintain the front yard of your house due to the council's policy. Sometimes it's owner's duty to maintain the things and sometimes it's the people who rent the house, they have to cut the grass and maintain them. So I will show you in Melbourne how we used to maintain the grass. And the second vlog is about Connor's Christmas party where I used to work. So there is a party scenario. So these are the two videos and after the videos I'll meet you again and ask you about the suggestions. So enjoy the video.
Hi Archan. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up in the morning?
Gardening before I go back home.
गाइस हमारे फ्रंट यार्ड में अभी इतने सारे जो हाइट दिख रही है आपको ग्रास की वो इतने तक बढ़ गई है और यहाँ पे रूल है कि नी की हाइट से ज़्यादा ग्रास नहीं होना चाहिए और वो सब मेंटेन होना चाहिए। हमारे यहाँ ये पूरा जंगल हो गया है तो आज ये ट्रेडी के कपड़े में हम ये सब काटने में लगे हैं। बहुत मेहनत का काम है पर अगर किसी और से करवाए तो $50 या $100 जैसा लगता है तो उससे अच्छा है कि हम अपने आप ही कर ले। तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा सब एक्स्ट्रा जो ग्रो कर चुका है उस सब को काटना है आज पूरा ये फ्रंट यार्ड और उसके बाद वहाँ पे बैक यार्ड में भी करना है। तो आज है थोड़ी मेहनत वाला दिन। ये सीन है।
A few moments later.
तो भाई देखो ये कैसा था और कैसा हो गया। पूरा सब साफ हो गया और ये सब बॉक्सेस और बैग्स भरे हुए हैं। तो दिखाता हूँ मैं पूरी प्रोसेस टाइम लैप्स में। अभी सिर्फ एक आखिरी काम बाकी है। यो
Masturi. नहीं मिला मुझे इसका पैसा मत करना पड़ेगा। गाड़ी भी Oh, that shit is deep in there. That shit is deep. D-E-E-P, deep. Time to get out, boy.
लेट्स कॉल इट अ डे।
Later that same evening.
तो भाई लोग आज मैं जा रहा हूँ पार्टी में। अपनी शिफ्ट अभी ख़त्म करके आया और मेरी जो कंपनी है उसकी क्रिसमस पार्टी और अवार्ड फंक्शन है। तो देखते हैं कैसा रहता है। पहली बार मेरा ये एक्सपीरियंस है तो चलते हैं फटाफट। एक दोस्त की वेट कर रहा हूँ, वो भी रेडी होने गया है। मेरी शिफ्ट अभी ख़त्म हुई कॉर्नर में तो अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ अपने फ्रेंड की। वो जब आएगा तो जाएंगे उसके साथ। ये सीन है। So this is Mo. This is my buddy I was waiting for. And this is his hot car. It runs well. Good machine. Nissan 370Z. So where are we going, Mo?
Christmas party.
What are we doing now?
I'm looking for parking.
So where to park?
Park legally.
Yeah. So where to park? हमको पार्किंग नहीं मिल रही है। Yeah, bro. Where are we going now? I'm Mo.
Where?
Ready to rock?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
To get drunk or not?
Yeah. No.
Yes.
I will not.
Ready to get drunk?
Nah. I will not.
So what's the point?
I'll just see you. I'll handle you. If you get drunk and you get out of control, I'll handle you. Yeah. No.
I don't think so, brother.
He is a regular person. He's a manager at the club, so it's normal for him, new for me. Let's see what happens.
we start these awards? Let's do it. Let's start with Casual of the Year.
My casual of the year is Sarah Geiger.
A lot of noise to me right now. The winner is about to get. Fountain Grace. Are we all ready to hear who you are of the year?
So yes guys, that is the party scenario looks like in Australia. I am more a fan of natural places than the parties, but it's good for once in a while. And now the thing I wanted to ask you is, you can give any suggestions or recommendation regarding this channel. If you want to see a video regarding a particular topic, or do you have any questions, just type it in the comment section, or you can connect with me in Instagram. The link for Instagram ID is in the description. So yeah, once again thank you, and just tell me whatever you want to know or any suggestions you have for this channel. So yeah, thank you, and it's a long way to go. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.